A brand new electric truck for $25,000. No, that's not a mistake. But before you get excited, let's find out if this thing is actually useful or just a cheap gimmick dressed up as a truck. What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Today, we're cutting straight to the point. No fluff, no sponsored opinions. We're breaking down the $25,000 EV truck, what you get, what you don't, and whether it's actually smart to buy one. Let's go. We're talking about the Slate Auto EV truck, a compact two-seat electric pickup targeting around $25,000 after federal tax credits. Here's what it comes with. A real electric motor that moves, a usable truck bed, about 1,500-pound payload, around 150 miles of range per charge, simple controls, no giant screen, no fancy extras. And here's what it does not come with. No backseat, no Apple CarPlay, no heated seats, no advanced safety tech. Plain, basic, functional. Think of it like a flip phone in a smartphone world. It does exactly what it needs to do, nothing more. This is the key question. Buy this truck if you are a contractor, landscaper, or small business owner, someone driving under 100 miles a day, a buyer who wants low fuel and maintenance costs, a first-time EV buyer on a real budget. Skip this truck if you need long highway trips, more than 2 seats, heavy towing capability, premium comfort features. This truck has one job: get you and your gear from point A to point B cheaply and reliably. It does that job well. Let's keep this simple. Base price? Around $25,000 after the federal EV tax credit. Without the credit, closer to $38,000. Range? 150 miles. Fine for daily work routes, not for road trips. Charging? Standard home level 2 charger. Plug in overnight, full charge by morning. Maintenance savings? No oil changes. Fewer brake repairs. EV engines have far fewer parts to break. 5-year cost versus a gas truck? A basic new gas pickup starts at $35,000 to $40,000. Then add fuel and repairs. The EV truck wins on total cost. Not even close. No sugarcoating here. 150 miles isn't a lot. A long workday across multiple job sites could stress that range. No fast charging. This isn't built for road trips or quick top-ups at charging stations. 2 seats only. If you carry a crew, this truck leaves people behind. Still limited availability. Production is still scaling up. You can't just walk into a dealer and grab one today. These are real limits. Know them before you buy. So, real tool or bare bones toy? Real tool for the right person. If your daily drive is short, your budget is tight, and you need a truck that works without breaking the bank, this is genuinely one of the smartest buys in 2025. If you need more range, more seats, or more power, save up for something bigger. Simple as that. Drop a comment. Would you buy a $25K EV truck? Hit like if this helped, subscribe to GM Car Info for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.